Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. In this video, we would do a quick comparison and quick review about the three models of armored protection vehicle which is being looked by the Indian Army. In order to provide highly mobile armored protection vehicles to soldiers in high altitude terrains like eastern Ladakh, Indian Army is planning to procure armored protection vehicles. So what are these armored protection vehicle? To be more precise, an armored personnel carrier or an armored protection vehicle is a military transport vehicle which is used for moving the personnel and equipment in combat zones. Compared to the infantry fighting vehicles, which are also used to carry infantry into battle, these type of armored personnel carriers have less armament and are not designed to provide direct fire support in battle. The armored personnel carriers are typically designed to protect against small arms and artillery fires. Some designs have more protection, but some designs are just basically to provide small arms and artillery fire support. These type of vehicles are also equipped with bulletproof glasses. So that was all about the definitions for an armored protection vehicle. Now let us see which brands and models are competing for the Indian Army's requirement. The brands and models which are competing are the Tata Wheeled Armor Amphibious Protection, which is also called as Tata Kestrel. The next one is American Stryker Infantry Combat Vehicle. The third one is the Humvee High Mobility Multipurpose Wheeled Vehicle. In this video, as I mentioned, we will see a quick comparison on similar characteristics to understand how they are related and how they are different. So first, as usual, let's see the definition of these vehicles. The Tata WHAP or Tata Kestrel is a modern armored personnel carrier developed by Tata Motors and Defense Research and Development Organization. The main intention for developing these vehicles was to replace the old aging Soviet Union's BMP-1 and BMP-2 of Indian Army. Coming to the other one, the Stryker from United States is an infantry carrier vehicle produced by General Dynamics Land System for the United States Army. And it has a four-wheel drive which can be switched to all-wheel drive, which is 8x8. This vehicle comes in several variants with a common engine, transmission, hydraulics, wheels, tires, and transfer cases. Coming to the third contender is the Humvee, which is a lightweight four-wheel drive military tactical truck produced by AM General. The body is constructed from lightweight and rust-resistant aluminum instead of conventional steel. These Humvee vehicles has an all-wheel drive with independent suspension and helical gear reduction hubs. So that was all about the definitions. So let's compare the general characteristics. If we see the general characteristics of these vehicles on the screen, we can see the characteristics and engine power of Tata Kestrel seems to be the best. But if we see the performance, the Humvee and Stryker are proven machines which is already in use by the United States. The Tata WHAP has a length of 7.80 meters, a width of 2.95 meters, and a height of 2.28 meters. And not just that, the engine which is powering these Tata Kestrel vehicles has a 600 horsepower. So that was about the general characteristics in which, according to me, the Tata Kestrel seems to be the best. Coming to airdropping or airlifting, the airlifting has not been tested or not properly tested and certified for the Tata Kestrel and Stryker. But whereas the Humvee is a air transportable, droppable, and can be sling loaded by helicopters as well. If we take the C-13 Hercules aircraft, it can carry 3 Humvees together. Now coming to the main armaments, the Tata Kestrel during DEF Expo 2016 was outfitted with a BMP-2 turret, but not sure if this is going to be finalized for the final product as well. The Tata Kestrel is fitted with a 30mm autocannon with an effective range of 3000 meters. It is also fitted with a 7.62mm coaxial machine gun. Not just that, it also has a 40mm automatic grenade launcher and an option for adding up to 2 anti-tank guided missile launchers in quick fire mode. So that was about the Tata Kestrel. Now coming to the Stryker vehicle. This vehicle has a 105mm M68A2 gun, a 12.7mm M2 machine gun, a 40mm Mk19 grenade launcher, which is mounted in a protected remote weapon station. Coming to Humvee, this vehicle is in service with United States military and serves in multiple roles. It serves as a cargo troop carriers. It serves as an automatic weapons platform. Not just that, it also serves as ambulance. And sometimes it is used as a M220 TOW missile carriers and M119 howitzer prime movers. So that was a quick review and comparison of the three vehicles and models which are being showcased to Indian Army for the requirement of an armored protection vehicles. So not sure which is going to impress the Indian Army and which is going to be inducted finally. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it, and also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section.